rong hang pen dong kamu kamalong break jam asai kedeng. Chinthong MSC constituency ke parlo upper Chinthong hawang along PMAYG ahem kikim kirang ji apan sai kedeng. Difu Civil Hospital long se kecilang bom ahut arong kecewai ju abang pi apan ahem asor bapon kingsi ahem keceponang. Kardam ada beberta long pen ni regionality mungpi non biotang ton pen arju ikha. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang ningkan plike bratroxy kipling amahang ke thek ani West Karbi Anglong dongka mugam arong supialong pai ni phai trok ani prekjam asai kedeng padupon si hawar ara dapan aning pangsam. Ada porpai kep apor malom pen lightning club dongka mugam pen patir piponsi rong suri isi atheng piaklim ke kisom akimang achai megalong chitong dun pen theng piaklim ke Waisong Stadium along pen panching pon. Theng piaklim ke achai megalong MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi dongka mugam Municipal Board Chairman Tilisram Ronghang dunmei Puren Singh Timung lapen Ward Commissioner Sarlong ki beatum chitong dun. Dongka mugam atong ano anstami theng piaklim ke pangchuk lingsi rong supi palir seng pen ingsam dop atomon kachupang long jiapan ansu se klem pon tunang lang pusi CM Tuliram Ronghang pen ningje.
Tangka ke सरकार पे जाकी जो है पन्नो योंगसी अलांग निंगहांग लोंगते 99,000 बंके ओको बैंक नून रामलों कतन के इंटरेस्ट बंके पिनांग ने आके जो इकंसी जुना टेन पन
ang parda ingtir arong supi ke pamanjia amang ke himana joini pensi lapuson break jam asai kedeng pon puta alang lipen ningje thu theng piaklim ke penang parda break jam adimalong PMAY ahem kitang tang adimalong kang po jaimek padupon enalo 45 crazy apor malom rangsina college kidam atowar meter pharut rock an kasalok pon thujia phan long ekisom padupon Surihini ro Krisir Kep aningkana baha octave mega singing competition a chairman Mirjeng Krolapen ke haya tumpen pherang kyang bong chihut chiput ka paman pona birta kat news sa hamalong birta nang pale Dipu Kopili restaurant along pai pai ni phai pho anikang sam apor octave along ke haiduna tumaphan kewang jiani kopi koson si ke klem ponji mala so putak pherang kya bitung atum karjusi ke haya tum sitami pherang kya tumang no chethandun
First of all, I sing all the western type of songs because I'm staying in Dimapur and I mostly speak only English and I like from class KG2 onwards I've been in a hostel at Dimapur and so I would like to say about the modern is that the modern song is also good but I think I'm not so good in that but I'm learning.
Frangsi Kardong kedua kanta nilai octave la singing competition second runner up nilai la that la octave long la competition dun pen nilai mane sanopo only Karbi chot kali ke kilu nangji Hindi Assamese English Assamese thek nangji bulabang nilai chini ponno lapen pe ako nilai lapen ansu sisi charli chunang na nilai nining chibi pang.
I would like to thank Mirjeng sir and to all the team members of Octave. At first I was a little bit sad because I wanted to become winner. Yeah. I could not become. But yes, it's okay now. He writes, he sings good, and he support me in my whole family.
Kacipati along ki una dum an ke akang tui ang deng an ke palidun jia pan bor ipon pupasi pherang ke ang no chithan dun rinti. Lapen octave chairman Mirjeng Kro ahin pen sitami laso lun kilun kacipati achai mek ke pareng verji lapen Karbi Anglong along lun kilun aning ke hang tumapan our side ki piponji apan por iponji lapen kewangji sudihni ra ingkoi aningkan octave mega singing competition mate season 2 ahut ke North East India angkang si audition apan hang ponji puta pachini
from giving them cash prizes we had a talk with a studio owner, a musician, which we can't reveal right now because it's not been final yet for their recordings. And firstly, it's like Samson India, one of our legend musician from Karbi Anglong. He has already given them a chance to record a song. One is for all the finalists. For all the finalists for free. This is one of the biggest achievement the finalists are having. And apart from that, we have made the videos, we have the recordings, and we have sent some of them to the producers of the Karbi film industries, and then they are looking into it, and then we have got 2 good response from them to production house, which I can't reveal. We will have another session like this to announce that. So there's a good news for every participant. I would say this time we got the best finalists ever I have seen, because it's been many years that there haven't been any big event like this, and I've watched the events as well. But we are proud to say that we have we got very good singers out here, and then I do hope so that, like, as we are planning, if God wills, if it succeeds, then everyone will have a very good future for the start.
Chinthong MSC ke parlo apar Chinthong hawang Nepali lapen khasia rong along pai niphai trok ani suri hini rakrisir gap ingkoi aningkan aparman PMAYGIM ki kim kerang ponji aphan long eki somasai ke padopona beta pherang ke pen beta nang pale. Chinthong Development Block pen patripi ponsi Ceremonial Foundation of PMAYG House suri hini rakrisir gap ingkoi aningkan aparman ki claim ji aphan sai kedeng. Labang so chai mek ke padopon along Chinthong VDC Chairman Khorsing Sena Block Aje E Borsing Kramsa Accountant Khorsing Teron Lapen GRS Searching Crew Atumpensi Ceremonial Foundation of PMAY GR Asai Deng Ponlo Pusi Birta Riptunlong Non malom so porphan Birta Moington Peksena.
Come live, come and test drive Nissan New Staro India. Visit a nearest dealer at Dhanbi Motors. Authorized dealer of Nissan. 80 Road, Kutikala, opposite number 2 Petrol Pump, Hypergaon, Nagaon, 78200 Assam. With attractive offers of the month, Micro Active XVS 50,000, Redigo 15,000, Datsun Go 10,000, Go Plus 10,000, Sunny 50,000. Tarano XL Dio special offers up to 2 lakh, along with special offers of Ford Doctor. Check on the given screen. For more details, contact sales consultant Bisnu Tiso 9365 454415 9954 793905.
Made like a gun, goes like a bullet. Sun Motors, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkelan, near Don Bosco School, Lifu, 782460, Assam. Easy finance are available here. Please contact 099 579 88008 or 0789 61 69021.
Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Trail, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, and grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkini outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot. A place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Assam Hills Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihinamo piputot birta along Wangthulo, Difu Civil Hospital along Se Kelang Dampen, Kopai Kelang Noajok Men Bia Hemasor Kadom Rong Hangpi, Chivoi Juilo, Ningduk Memelapen Mekri Klokle Un E. Pai Pai ni Pai Trok ani Difu Rong Supi Mate Karbiang Long Ahempi along Kido, Difu Civil Hospital along Pen Inut, Kiboy Det Ata Kido Abang Pi Kachivoi Pen, Hem Kachiponjia Pan Anta Ambulance Kilong Le Lapen Kachivoi Jui Kichitang, Kiponjia Pan Anta Warsai Kilong Dunde Ajok, Difu Rong Supi Arlo Mate, Difu Civil Hospital pen Difu Rong Supi adung het men rong hang arong an kachivoi jui abang pi kititang arpum aphan ahemasor men be pe pen bupon king si Rong Supi soding kachipon ke mekri krokleta un e Ningkan troke braner kep Karbiang Lo Turmus Council ata playing det pen anta Difu Rong Supi pen chikoy not men rong hang arong an kititang arpum lapuson kachipon nangke hoan si li kachipendak dun athai ke dojilang 1952 Ningkan Karbiang Lo Turmus Council mahang ke thek malom pensi men rong hang arong sitami tulo Difu Rong Supi pen men rong hang arong kahelu kilometer ke thom an baksi doji sitami piniani anta men rong hang arong an mesen kachiling atawar kaverjok kisung chitong nang bomlang kadom rong hang pikiti tanga bum kachiponji apan auto rickshaw cho arju damlo sitami towar ke no parpik ajok auto atum takidun atum avedetlo kiti tanga bum anung chiba pon king Rong Supi arjon ke pon bom apora hut Perang ke Vivian Long ki rong pi thek dun long si ke sotong kachipon ma pusi arju dunlo Lapua Hemasor Mekri Kiklopen Kisu Kalilo Nili Hemasor Difu Civil Hospital along Kisu Chilang Damlo Sitami Kopai Kilang Nojok Si Chilang Bomohuchi Chivoi Juilo Sai Jokje Nili Methang Si Hem An Kachiponjia Pansi Chiba Pon King Nang Koklo Ati Ambulance Talong Le Lapen Kititang Arpum Kipon Amotor Takilong Ledet Ajok Nili Methang Si Chibu Pon Nang Koklo Pusi Mekri Meklang Pen Chithak Dun Lapuson Apora Hut UKYA Song Amay Puwer Long Kidera Lapen Kong Chun Bang Anderson Rong Hang Atum Chitong Dun Si Ning Kimipen Utori Pidun Si Men Rong Hang Arong Mate Ahem Along Anke Palijia Pan Rap Dun Lo Sitami Bang So Oto Ta Towar Kehino Ajok Harilar Bosti Pen Dam Chot Ansi Oto Pen Thon Dun Un Chot Lo
Dead body at a sort of modu yet and sort of again just more hospital for like you don't move on the pong and the গাড়ীখন বিচাৰিছিলে গাড়ীখন এতিয়াতো ড্ৰাইভাৰ মই সুধিব লাগিব যোৱাকালি এনেকুৱা ড্ৰাইভাৰ ডেড বডি নিবৰ কাৰণে গাড়ী বিচাৰিছিলে নেকি আৰু গাড়ীখনতো আমাৰ আছেই কিবা অলপ সামান্য কিবা এটা যান্ত্ৰিক বিজুতি এটা আছিলে সেইটো এতিয়ালৈকে গাড়ীখন আমি ব্ৰেকডাউন কৰি দিয়া নাই গাড়ীখনটো চলি আছে
তাৰ আপুনি গম পোৱা নাই নেকি স্যাৰ
মই গম পোৱা নাই ৰাতি এতিয়া দিনতে গম পাইছোঁ 12:00
Pinpur pondek nangji kisung apora hut keratun auto pen ke thondun abangku transit rong pi alang lining ke me pena joksi puan betitami trapdun lo towari bank pen putat ihum auto truck setong si pirang ke pen hamphang asong adum chuning ripadi krim si auto truck pen putat men rong hang arong an kadong rong hang pi ata poke truck si kititang ar pumapan hem an palilong lo men rong hang arong mate a hem along an palidam det api inut dipu civil hospital along sai chuklem dun nurse alang li pen pherang kya tum no kachiru pen kachathan thuke nilitum men rong hang arong ningkan poket to selo labang so rong arda sidami ningduk meme alam ke pinyanian tan nilitum mesen atawar cheleng dun long lelang kadam rong hang pia phan dipu civil hospital along ki soki ponjia phan motor ka cheleng atawar ke henwa joksi pinyani bangso ki sung chitong nang lo pusi chethan dun lason thak thak si rong asor sidami pherang kya phan ka chethan dun thuke men rong hang arong buan ata dokong apita nilitum lapusan kisung kacitong nang naben men rong hang arong ke dipu pen kilometer ke thom an baksi tulo sitami nilitum apan tobor nang selam pipedet ke nilitum ningduk parpiklo non sitami bangso tobor kavya joks nilitum angjir katom rong hang pi arong chiboy nang lo lasi non pariwatan asokar ahut nilitum apan kirap ke pajirwek nang puathe non ason kisung ason thot ke pirthe na hok atima longta chitong nang lipusi nilitum arnamalong hil jumi chuhang si pariwatan asokar tum prabjin pen towar nang selam pipon ji phan non kisung ki phua hem asora phan sitami sarkar tum pen kilang ke pangkri pen ajok si kisung ki phonang ajok kirap pajir nang ji pusirong amekar tum pherang ke thengnu pachini dun
thuke je non prabjin pen nilitum phan ke dam ke wangawar sai nang pipo la pen nang pinu nang piwek nang popusi nilitum abatai tame nilitum towar kawe pen ke anutina phanta pachini lo lapen anutina korte ingira tuma phansita me nilituma hin pen rong asor laan ningkan phokep ladak arong do erlo non laan pusita me nilituma long akisung ke towar pen taun pen laan kati bok arong lo mensing rong hang rong puke nanglitum along tin along sita me documents along sita me theklong ji la so rong along la sona kisung ke non pen kalilu la pen non ansita me nilitum la son si theklong mom chetong bom lang asi la son akisung pen nitum hanang pa jok ji phansi sarkar hi na phansi ta me nilitum chuningri padu konilo
nangli men ke
biren si kero nili ladak arong nilita inut ladak arong sorlo la pen la sorong along nilitum nilimata non ningkan thongkebra proxian ke dolo lapen nilitum ap kesara tum sitame ladak si dolo ladak kido pensi nilitum ta ke thiki dinglo lapen non an sitame nilitum la so arong aphan towar po joine akisung pana joine non pinia sonson akisung tame hospital jitu leda prang so te alangli phan jogit tam hai mane sitame non ke alangli hospital ke lipen ke alangli chewo ek joilo nasi nilitum rat atum ta ninglo oto tame naki duni ia theke towar kahai no pena join delo athe towar mesen bosonte anutin pusita me oto sita me ke wang joy ke pen wangji nang dunji polo sita me towar ka vedara joine mase anutin na kote sita me oto ko solai tum afan sita me tum aduk pipe athe towar khai no pen joine si nili to manat oto ban vedara joine non alangli ke kacheba pen si dikhu civil hospital pe non dak men rong ahem chetai long an nang kilelo lasi nilitum na alangli nang amethang mase nang cheba masi thei nong lo lasi nilitum ta ningduk lo je diphutaun along non poriborton na sarkar hote bangke je nilitum along antame ingthir et poriborton un po towar me lang antame longon po busi
antaba berta bangke la pons kang ton pekla dume thakme kurang thu